everyone, it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm going to show you how to boost a hybrid vehicle. Hybrid vehicles have two batteries, a large one that assists the gasoline engine to power the vehicle, and a 12-volt battery to get things going and power the accessories. The 12-volt battery is typically here in the back. You can still use it to boost your vehicle, but since the hatch is electric, you might not be able to access it. Under the hood, you'll see there's two fuse boxes. Underneath one of them will be a red connector and you'll see a positive symbol. You'll want to open the positive cover, and for some vehicles there will be a plastic tab. On one side there will be a copper strip. For those vehicles, you'll want to make sure that the positive clamp has the cord lining up with the copper strip side. This 4Runner has a fully metal connector, so in this case, it doesn't matter which side you clamp it on. For the ground cable, you want to be careful where you're connected to, as there are a lot of electronic components that can be damaged. You'll want to connect it to either the engine block or even the hood latch. If you're uncomfortable boosting your battery, make sure to call a professional, as there are a lot of expensive components that could be damaged if you do it incorrectly. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call or talk to someone while visiting the dealership.